All right, Ashley, welcome. I appreciate you doing this. This is Dr. Blumenthal, Natural Transplants. We're here in the Maryland office, and we have Ashley. You are a little over a year out from your procedure, and I am blown away. This looks incredible. How do you feel about it?
I feel really great about it. I wish I would have done it sooner, but this is awesome.
Awesome. I mean, it looks better. I told you, this looks better than I was expecting. I mean, you really have a fantastic result. Really shapes your face nicely. How has it improved things as far as, going out, doing things, wearing your hair? How's it changed your life?
Yeah, I just don't have to worry about trying to mask anything. So when I do twist outs on my hair, I can just go. Yeah. Or if I just want to have a crazy hair day, I can just go and not have to worry about anything. So you can do it. Yeah.
Oh, it's so cool. I'm so happy to see that. It's so fantastic. And you said no problems with the scar. It doesn't cause any pain. No one's noticed it. You can't see it.
Nope, no problems with the scar at all. Nothing.
Awesome. So, man, again, I can't get over it. So, anything sort of at this point, if you could do it all again or give someone advice, you have any advice for someone that's sort of maybe thinking about it on the fence, going back and forth?
I would just do it. I mean, I watched YouTube videos forever, and I wish I would have just done it sooner. But the process was fun. Being in that office with you guys was like being with family. It was
sweet.
It's a really awesome procedure, and I don't like medical things or anything like that.
Yeah, but most people don't.
Yeah, this was perfectly fine.
We had a blast. We had a blast working with it. It was so fun. Sometimes the hard part is the waiting, and you wish you could just sort of fast forward, a year out and sort of get the results. But if you wouldn't mind, do me a favor and just sort of putting your chin down to your chest for me, and we'll match this up with the before video, before pictures, so we can sort of compare them. That's awesome. And then just look to your left, and then just hold that for a second or two, and then we look the other direction. And then if you maybe can just do a quick spin just so we can see the back, just so, I mean, there's no way we can see the scar anyway, but it looks awesome. Yeah, fantastic. So cool. So excited for you. I love it. Thank you so much for doing this. Hopefully this can inspire somebody and, when they're looking into it. And that's it. You are free. You're free. You're a year out. You're free to fly. Awesome. Okay. All right, Ashley. Thank you so much.
All right, take care.
All right, Ashley.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.